A couple of cancer treatments are in short supply, joining a growing list of drug shortages in the U.S.
There are roughly 300 drugs currently hard to find, according to the former FDA commissioner. This is the highest level since 2014. Our Andres Gutierrez explains how Michigan hospitals are adapting to treat cancer patients.
Oncologists use these two critical drugs to treat a variety of cancers. The FDA first learned of a shortage of Cisplatin in February, then of Carboplatin late last month.
It was basically one large manufacturer in India that was taken offline because it had a disastrous FDA inspection with significant findings.
The physicians and pharmacists in our hospitals have expressed uniformly their degree of concern for the patients and what this means for them.
In response, some hospitals are turning to different treatment methods, including using alternatives or making their own through compounding pharmacies.
If a drug could be used on a cycle of 3 to 4 weeks, they might be using that 4-week cycle. If there are the older drugs available, they might be turning to the older drug because they don't want to pause in the care.
These drug shortages are part of a bigger problem that's been happening for years, even before the pandemic.
We have a number of problems to work through in terms of returning to domestic manufacturing, awareness of where and how much of the active ingredients we have for these drugs.
So I think we really need to create a market for high-quality manufacturing, so you can allow generic manufacturers to make certain claims about the reliability and the quality of their manufacturing, and then for generic manufacturers that can make those claims through maybe some third-party certification, you pay them for that. You pay them for the fact that they have reliable manufacturing that might be domestic, that might be more modern, so it's going to be more reliable and less prone to shortages.
Which for this pair of cancer drugs is expected to last until late June. In Southfield, Andres Gutierrez, CBS News, Detroit.